What a beautiful car. Every time I look at this car, I just, wow. And now that it's lowered, it looks so amazing. Like, look at that beautiful car. Ugh. Don't mind me, you guys. I'm just excited about my car. You know what I mean? It's the little things, you know? It's the little things. What is going on, guys? Hopefully everybody's doing great. Another beautiful day. I literally just got home from work, and I gotta tell you guys, here in Canada right now, we're in fall right now and approaching winter, and the temperature changes so quickly. The lighting condition changes so quickly. I literally rushed home because I wanted to kind of get this video done for you guys. And when I was coming home, you guys, it was bright and sunny. And by the time I get inside, put on my winter jacket because I knew it was going to be a little bit windy, and come back out the house, now it's actually this dark. And so I'm thinking I'm probably going to have to start, setting a time to make my videos, because right now it's going to start getting dark a lot early. And then when I go to work and I come home, a lot of times, I've got other stuff to do at home, and so I want to keep making videos for you guys and creating content for you guys. And just going to have to prioritize, the timing, so I can catch better lighting conditions. I can make good quality videos for you guys that are clear and just beautiful. Anyways, guys, today I want to talk to you about my 9th gen Honda Accord, which I went and got the car lowered. I have the BC Coilovers on the car, and finally I did a video on that, which it was dark, and I did say I was going to make another video during the daytime where you guys can have a better look at the car, and just let me know what your thoughts are. So still a little bit of adjustment they need to make on the car, and that will come in time, because I think the coilovers need maybe a couple of days for it to really settle, and then you kind of go back and get the final adjustment. So there she is, you guys. She's fully lowered, and I wanted the front not that low. I wanted it a little bit higher, but I still got to be careful, because right now these are not the rims that's going to be on the car, and as you can see, these are my stock rims right now. As you can see, it's getting a little tucked up under there, which I don't really like, and I also, it's not flush with the fender. It's a little bit in, which I don't really like. I wanted it flush, but once again, I'm gonna have to wait, because usually when you get the aftermarket rims, it's gonna be a little bit wider, because the offset's gonna be different. So that's what the front of it looks like. Now if we go towards the back, on this side is a little bit more flush, because this side actually, I do actually have a 25 millimeter spacers on there, and as you guys can see, it's a little bit more flush, but it's still a little bit tucked in. Come from this side so you guys can see it. I'll go from here so you guys can see, and this is probably, I would say, just a finger, so I'm saying it's probably going to be about an inch. So if an inch, your finger there, so that is probably about a 1 inch in height right now, from the quarter panel. So that's what that looks like. And but so eventually, like I said, the rims are gonna get changed, and I want it flush with the quarter panel. That's the kind of look that I like. Pulling away from the car, just looking at it, I really like it. Just kind of do a little walk around and show you guys the other side. And also, you guys, I didn't find the HFP spoiler, but I found a spoiler that I like, and that is gonna get installed pretty soon. I did a video on that too, and a lot of you guys really said for me to buy the spoiler, which I am actually going to do this weekend. But yeah, so this is the other side, and funny enough, this side is lower than the other side, right? So this side is a little bit lower, because if I put my finger there, see, look at that, it's lower. So this gonna have to get adjusted. I like the other side. This side's a little bit, it's still clear. It's still cleared. It's not rubbing or anything. But I think I prefer the other side. So I'm probably gonna get that raised up a little bit to match the other side. And the front and this side as well. The front is also a lot lower. I don't know what my mechanic was thinking. This side is a lot lower than the other side. So pretty much the right side is going to get adjusted to the same settings as the left. Now if we come back to the front of the car, how much low, whoa, let's see if I can go down. That's how low it is off the ground. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that, but I mean, that's low enough for me right now. But I'm really liking it, you guys. I waited so long to have the car lowered, and now I'm actually excited about it. Man, it's getting so dark so quickly, and I didn't want to be rushing the video, but you know, I did say I was going to make another video where I can show the car to you guys when it's much later out. And yeah, so that's what it looks like. So what do you guys think? You guys can go ahead and let me know. There she is. Once that spoiler goes on, you guys, it's going to be amazing. It's not going to be completely done, but it's going to be as close to done for now, because like I said, I have the 8 gen that I'm working on currently, which is actually going into the shop on the 15th. Today's the 7th. It's going into the body shop on the 15th. I'm going to keep the original color, the red, but I'm going to add a nice little sheen to it. You know, some pearls, and just brighten it up a little bit. So yeah, so I'm trying to, you know, balance out the money between both cars. The only thing that's going to be left for this car is away from the spoiler. Once I get the spoiler done, you know, and the funny thing about it is the spoiler actually kind of looked like the HFP spoiler. It's just a little bit higher. Well, obviously a lot higher. But yeah, this is like, well, this is flat with the car. The HFP spoiler would have probably come up about that and go on. This one now comes up about that. It's not too big, but it really complements the car. The other thing I'm going to be getting is I'm going to get cold air intake. What a beautiful car. Every time I look at this car, I just, wow. And now that it's lowered, it looks so amazing. Like, look at that beautiful car. Don't mind me, you guys. I'm just excited about my car. You know what I mean? It's the little things, you know? It's the little things. I'm really liking the settings. Really like how the car is sitting right now. Once that spoiler goes on the back, like I said, it's going to be amazing. And as you guys can see, I was going to do a video in this, the roof spoiler, but I didn't mention it at all. So I installed that myself, and I think it looks pretty nice. I had it on my 8 gen, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna get it for the 9 gen as well. My previous 8 gen, not the one that I currently have, previous one, and I think it looks really nice. And so I'm gonna get to once I get the spoiler. You know, the other thing I want to talk about, I was thinking of getting the top wrap, because I had on my 8 gen, I had it wrapped, and I'm probably going to do it on the 8, well, I know I'm mixing up the cars right now. My previous 8 gen, the silver one that you guys see, the roof was wrapped black, and I really like it, but that car was full silver. This car is, you know, it's like a beautiful gray purplish kind of color, which is a really unique color. And so I'm thinking of probably getting it wrapped black. I'm not going to paint it, I'm going to get it wrapped. And the other thing I want to do is right here, you guys, right here, I want to get that wrapped black as well. So from here, just this line all the way across, I want to do that black, and the roof black. I'm not sure if I want to leave this spoiler black, which I'm thinking if I put the spoiler on, should I just leave it black? Because then it's got the black roof, the black spoiler, and down there is black. Give the car a nice offset. I don't know. Yeah, so something to think about. Yeah, so I was saying, the other thing I'm going to get for the car is I'm going to get a cold air intake. And once I get the cold air intake, for now, I think this car is going to be done. Definitely, you guys, definitely rims are going to be coming for the car, because these are not the rims that is going to stay in the car. I just couldn't wait to get the BC Coilovers installed, and so I said, you know what, let me go ahead and just get it done and leave those on there for now. Yeah, I think the car is, I think it's really looking, it's looking amazing. Man, it is looking so amazing right now. Let's see if I can look at it from multiple different angles. I'm trying to record before the sun goes down. Those LED lights are looking so nice, but for some reason it's kind of showing almost like a yellow. It's got a yellow reflection going on there, but it's not. It's completely white, you guys. Completely white. Both the fog lights on the headlights as well. I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, but this fog lights interchange, right? So it interchanged to yellow. And actually, if I turn the car off right now and lock it, or I can just switch it. I'll show you guys really quick. For all you guys who never seen the interior of the car, that's what the interior of the car looks like. You know, yeah. And I got the Honda emblem in the seat, which look amazing. You know, I got a couple of guys that's like, yo, what do you get that? That looks so nice. Yeah, so I had it in my 8 Gen, and everybody loves it. So I figured as soon as I get this car, that's one of the first mod I'm gonna be doing. Yeah, so just I'm not sure if you guys can see here. Just gonna switch this up, switch it back to white, yellow. So I'm gonna go outside. I'll leave it in yellow and go outside and shoot you guys so you guys can see it. I know back in the days they used to run the yellow fog light. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Like, look at that. I still think it looks good. But it's a nice LED yellow. It's as bright as the white LED up top, but it's just that it's yellow. But yeah, so what do you guys see? You guys can go ahead and let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna switch it back, and you guys can see the difference really quick. So there we go. Boom. Switch it right back real quick, and now it's back to the yellow. And there you have it. Yeah, there she is. BC Coilovers installed. Just doing a final quick walk around. Beauty, what a beauty. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this beautiful video. And as always, guys, thumbs up are free. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I know it's not a big deal for you guys, but it is for me because it helps the videos to come up in the algorithm. So thank you so much for every one of you guys for giving the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Go out, love one another, get to know God, trust Him, and live. Peace.